heading out the door. Let's see if he can crawl.
Let him go. Come here, Aiden Bear.
Come on, buddy.
Come here, come to Mommy.
Come on.
Mommy's got your Baba.
Mommy's got the baba.
Here's Baba.
Okay, Hannah.
Here. Aiden. Here's Baba.
Oh, man.
Motivation.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, what a tease Mommy is. Oh, what is that?
Come on over here. Come over to Mommy.
Ava? He's going to want to go after
Aiden
that
Bear.
now.
Here. Ava, pick it up. Come on.
No, Mimi.
Aiden Bear. Don't lose focus. Keep the focus.
He knows to go as far as he needs to.
He's not ready to walk to get to this bottle.
Oh, yeah. Oh, what about you, Aaron? You want your bottle? What about you, Ava? You want your bottle?
Nice.
I'm My Little Ponies.
Yes, you are. All right, bye-bye.